Cleaning an image sensor, it's a fairly easy process, and also there are many, maybe too many videos out there showing how to clean your image sensor, but there is none on my channel, so I wanted to add this video to the category of cleaning, maintaining and cleaning your camera. And maybe I can show you a few things that others are not mentioning. And in this video I'm gonna clean both DSLR with the Pentaprism version and mirrorless camera. And obviously mirrorless camera are way easier to clean and also see what are you doing. Instead, on Pentaprism models, you have to just be a little bit more cautious and understand how much pressure you have to put and how to do it properly. So what I have here, it's obviously it's a full frame Pentaprism camera, DSLR Pentaprism, and as you already know the difference between this and the mirrorless, as already the name it says it already. There is no mirror in the mirrorless camera. There are no mirrors, and there is no Pentaprism. Instead, they have just the image sensor. I can show you because I have a candidate here. Obviously, they are much slimmer, much smaller. They can get much smaller, and there is only the image sensor and nothing else. No Pentaprism and no mirror, because the mirror obviously it's built for the Pentaprism in order to see through the lens. Instead, the way that this camera sees is through the image sensor. Image sensor projects the image directly to the viewfinder, digital viewfinder that you have on the mirrorless camera. So there is less components, can be less damage due to the fail of the mirror, the Pentaprism and mirror system, and yeah, it looks much nicer maybe. All right, so I will start first with the full frame because I have to mention a few things before starting the cleaning of the sensor. So first thing, the only tool you need in this case, it's a air blower, something like this. This should be enough, and a swab, like in this case, something like this, and pretty much that's it. This is only for this video. We show only how to clean the sensor. There are many other things. There are some other steps that I could show, but otherwise this will get too long, and it's better if we do separate things, like cleaning the stuff around to the mirror box, taking the dust out, but that may be in another video. There's one thing that there's a tip that I can give once we cleaned the image sensor on the mirror system, and that I will show you once I will clean. Basically, with the same swab, we don't need to throw it. We can do something else. Basically, we can clean the mirror here, which is sometimes can become hard to clean it, and the best way and the easiest way to do it is by using the swab that you just you may have use on cleaning the sensor. Right, so as a first step, what you need to do is obviously, and when you blow air inside this, don't blow the air in this position. Instead, just put the camera downsize and blow from underneath. I don't think I have enough space to do it, but let's see. So actually I'm gonna just move away from my workspace. So I'm gonna just show on the camera. Obviously it has to put the camera with the face set down. So you just blow air all the way around, not only straight, but just, it's better if you do angles. You're gonna just the air will move differently than push it directly down. So on the sides, and that's it. Next I will put the camera. You need to put the camera. Each and every camera has its own setting to put the to set up the mirror in order to reach the sensor and be able to clean it. So you're gonna, in my case, this is a 5D Mark III. In my case, I already prepared just to reduce the time on just spending time on finding it. So I'm directly to the voice. I will go inside and I have different options. One option is clean now, which is basically that's internal cleaning without having passing the swab. But we're gonna need to do that first. So camera does some mechanical and vibration inside the sensor in order to break down and pull out, move away the dust from the sensor. Once we did that, we can go manually, because now with the help of cleaning the ultrasound cleaning, whatever cleaning of the system, we managed to break down to move away the dust. And by doing the manual cleaning, my memory just got full when while I was doing the video. Anyways, I was saying that now we have access to the image sensor, and next step is by just blowing air again, but this has to stay face down in my case because I cannot do it. I'm just gonna show how I do it. Remember, must be face down. And now this is ready for being cleaned. Okay, so what you're gonna need? You're gonna need, I mentioned about the swab, but another tool that you need, actually you need just the liquid. I use this one, it's really good. There are plenty of options out there. You can go and if you want to understand a bit better which one is which, you can search online. There are, you can find it on all kind of channels of photographic discussions. So now I'm preparing to take out the swab, and one thing you need to do, important step, is by adding, if it's a full frame, you need to add three drops, and you start from one side, middle, and the other edge. One edge, middle, and the other edge. So it will be 1, 2, and 3. And now I don't know if I can show how the liquid spreads. Let's see if we can focus. Probably I cannot show that on camera, but you have to leave it for few seconds in order for the liquid to spread equally inside the swab. So next easy step is just adding, just moving. I'm gonna create an angle. Let me see if I can. I need to create an angle. So an angle and the pressure. So when you, let me see if I can show. When you push towards the sensor, this has to bend slightly, like that. This way, you need to feel this pressure, not more than this, in order to create this arch, in order for the swab to be able to touch evenly the face of the sensor and also clean completely the surface. So yeah, let's do it. I'm gonna start from one side. Let me see if I can zoom in, maybe put some more light. I'm trying, know if I'm able. Let me see. Right, so when I look what I'm doing, put it all the way, in my case, all the way on the left, right? I go, as you can see, the swab is not straight. It's I'm going in this direction inside, right? I'm gonna maybe I'm not that perfect because I'm trying to show what I'm doing, but you get the it's important for you to understand. So maybe now I better even more. So now once I touch the sensor, let me see, I'm touching the sensor, I create the pressure, and now I'm moving slightly, and I continue until the end. But this already, I think it's clean. Anyways, let's do this again. I'm gonna show from this angle so you can see what I am doing. From this angle, I'm going, it's like 45 degrees, something like that, 45 degrees. I push, you can see I bend, and I slightly move all the way down, keep it push until I get to that point, take it out. All right, so next I will do with this is done. Actually, before I change to the other mirrorless camera, I will show you what you can do with this. I just mentioned it earlier. I'm gonna shut it off. I have my mirror. Let me see if I can show you. The mirror is very dirty. As you can see, the mirror very dirty. So I already cleaned the mirror with the air blower, so I don't need to clean it again. But what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna apply again the liquid. I will apply the liquid. In this case, it's enough to put 2 because it's already some liquid left from the preview work. So next, just wait a couple of seconds, obviously. And next, we're gonna clean the mirror. So going all the way down, this position, yeah, this position, like that, all the way down. I'm feeling I'm touching the edge, in my case the edge of the mirror, and I just apply pressure, a little bit of pressure, and then just all the way down. And when I'm close to finish the edge, I just slightly twist it, and I go this way. Let's see if there is any improvement. So this side is not clean. Let me see if we can see something. Right, if the camera will be able to focus. Anyway, this is much cleaner than before. As you can see, there's some speck of dust on this side because I clean only this side. There is still, because this might be much dirtier than the image sensor, because in some cases by mistake we can put our finger inside there or whatever. I'm gonna just continue applying my swab. Actually, I will go all the way from down to the edge. As you can see, I'm not going straight, I'm just going slightly when I'm about to finish to reach the end of the mirror. Let me see, there's something in there. I'm gonna insist a little bit more. I think this is what we have here. It's maybe someone just blow air inside with the mouth, and some speck of saliva went in there. So let me see if I can show you. Yeah, you can see it. I'm just using the very edge of the swab with a gentle pressure, and that went away. Right, so I can do back and forth until I can feel it clean. There's no need as to be precise as on the image sensor. There's another piece of dirt, and then because I'm about to finish, I'm gonna just turn it because I know this side is more cleaner. I'm gonna do this way. I'm gonna tilt it slightly and then finish. And again with this other side, and do the same. And before finish, I'm just slightly tilt it, move it. And now this is very clean. I don't know if you can see it, but it's extremely clean now. Much, much better than it was before. Right, so now you know how to clean your DSLR image sensor and a mirror box, just the mirror. And same with the mirrorless, much easier with the mirrorless system. You can see it's much fewer depth than we have on normal DSLR. So in this case, I'm going to take the proper swab, which is much smaller, as you can see. Obviously, the swab, it's even smaller than the whole sensor. Actually, you can, if you notice on the bottom side, on the top side, there's some edge. So there are no pixels over there. So in this case, I'm going to use the same liquid and the same principles. Instead, I'm going to put 2 drops, not 3. 1, 2, and I will wait. Let me see if I can show. I forgot to do a step, and that is by blowing with the air. I'm going to just put my swab aside for now. I'm just going to air, always face down. Right, so this is clean now, like it should be the dust that comes off by himself. And let me see if I can zoom in, and maybe I can show you. You can see there is some dust on the sensor. So what I will do, same on one side, like this, diagonally. I think that's the term, diagonally. And I will go slightly on the very edge, maybe even slightly inside. I'm gonna apply pressure and just start swabbing all the way down. Much better, I would say. Right. So this is how you clean your image sensor.